Today, there is the Liverpool explosion in London. Three arrested under Tourism Act after car blast at hospital. Three men have been arrested under the Tourism Act after a man was killed in a car explosion outside Liverpool Women's Hospital. We can see these videos on the YouTube. See, I wish you subscribe in the channel to get every new videos we upload. This channel is specialized in educating using technology and engineering, in educating programming and web designing and chess and STEM education in general. Thanks for watching.